Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm Ricky, and today we're diving into common English greetings, focusing on American English. Mastering these greetings is key to confident communication, whether you're meeting someone new or catching up with old friends. Let's start with formal greetings, perfect for professional settings, or when addressing someone you don't know well. The most common formal greeting is hello. It's versatile and can be used at any time of day. You can also use time-specific greetings like good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. How do you do is another formal option, though it's less common in modern American English and often used in very traditional contexts. Now let's move on to informal greetings, which you'll use with friends, family, and casual acquaintances. The simplest and most popular informal greeting is hi. It's friendly and universally understood. Hey is another very common informal greeting, often used to get someone's attention or simply say hello. To ask how someone is doing, you can say, how are you? Or the more casual, how's it going? A very popular informal greeting, especially among younger people, is what's up, or its even shorter form, sup? These are often followed by a brief chat about what's new or happening. Now let's talk about responding to these greetings. Your reply often depends on how you're feeling. For how are you or how's it going, common responses include I'm good, thanks, I'm doing well, or not bad. If someone asks, what's up, you can simply say, not much, or briefly mention what you've been doing. It's always polite to ask back, like, and you, or how about you, to keep the conversation flowing. Sometimes you'll meet someone for the very first time. In this situation, nice to meet you is the perfect phrase. If you haven't seen someone in a long time, you can say long time no see, or good to see you. These expressions convey warmth and excitement at reconnecting. Now let's cover some common farewells. Just as important as greetings, these help you end a conversation politely. The most straightforward farewell is goodbye. It's suitable for almost any situation, formal or informal. For a more casual exit, you can simply say bye or see you later if you expect to meet again soon. Take care is a thoughtful farewell, showing concern for the other person's well-being. Another common phrase is have a good one. This can refer to a good day, evening, or whatever period is next. Let's put some of these into practice with a quick example. Imagine you're meeting a new colleague. You might say, hello, nice to meet you. I'm your name. And they might reply, nice to meet you too. How are you? Then you could say, I'm doing well, thanks. And you? This shows politeness and keeps the conversation going. For a casual encounter with a friend, it could be, hey, what's up? Followed by, not much, just heading to the store. You? Remember, a genuine smile and appropriate eye contact always enhance your greeting, making you appear more approachable. Cultural nuances are important. In American English, a firm handshake is common in formal settings, while a wave or nod is fine informally. Practice these greetings regularly, and you'll find yourself communicating more confidently in English. Thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, and you'll master these greetings in no time.